Hay palabras en inglés americano y en inglés británico que se dicen diferente pero significan lo mismo, y dependiendo de cómo la digas en cada país, puede que no te entiendan. Por ejemplo, en Estados Unidos escucharás frases como
Can I have some water?
pero en Inglaterra sonará más como
Can I have some water?
y aunque significan lo mismo, suenan completamente diferente. Incluso sabiendo inglés puedes sentir que no sabes nada, pero cuando entiendes estas diferencias, todo cambia. Hoy vas a aprender a reconocerlas y a usarlas correctamente. Pasas de sentirte inseguro a hablar con confianza de verdad. Empecemos. Misma palabra, pronunciación diferente. Agua,
Water.
Water.
Can I have some water?
Excuse me, where can I get some water?
imagina entrar a una tienda de ropa, pedir pants pensando en pantalones, y que te lleven a la sección de ropa interior.
What the fuck?
Sí, así de diferente puede ser. Ropa interior,
Underwear.
Pants.
I need to buy new underwear.
I need to buy new pants.
pantalones,
Pants.
Trousers.
These pants are very comfortable.
These trousers are very comfortable.
horario,
Scheduled.
Schedule.
Check the schedule before you leave.
Check the schedule before you leave.
tomate,
Tomato.
Tomato.
I bought a tomato for the salad.
I bought a tomato for the salad.
imagina que te invitan a un coro, y no sabes ni qué significa. Coro,
Choir.
Choir.
I'm gonna sing in the choir today.
I'm going to sing in the choir today.
garaje,
Garage.
Garage.
The car is in the garage.
The car is in the garage.
anuncio,
Advertisement.
Advertisement.
I saw that advertisement online.
I saw that advertisement online.
apartamento,
Apartment.
Flat.
I live in an apartment in the city.
I live in a flat in the city.
ascensor,
Elevator.
Lift.
Take the elevator to the second floor.
Take the lift to the second floor.
imagina perderte en otro país y no entender cómo llegar al metro. Metro,
Subway.
Underground.
Take the subway to downtown.
Take the underground to downtown.
camión,
Truck.
Lorry.
That truck is blocking the road.
That lorry is blocking the road.
gasolina,
Gas.
Petrol.
I need to get some gas for the car.
I need to get some petrol for the car.
acera,
Sidewalk.
Pavement.
Walk on the sidewalk. It's safer.
Walk on the pavement. It's safer.
galleta,
Cookie.
Biscuit.
I bought a cookie for you.
I bought a biscuit for you.
papas fritas,
French fries.
Chips.
I ordered French fries with my burger.
I ordered chips with my burger.
dulces,
Candy.
Sweets.
The kids are eating candy.
The kids are eating sweets.
película,
Movie.
Film.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Let's watch a film tonight.
fútbol,
Soccer.
Football.
He plays soccer every weekend.
He plays football every weekend.
basura,
Trash.
Rubbish.
Throw it in the trash, please.
Throw it in the rubbish, please.
fila,
Line.
Queue.
We are waiting in line.
We are waiting in the queue.
tienda,
Store.
Shop.
I'm going to the store now.
I'm going to the shop now.
vacaciones,
Vacation.
Holiday.
We are going on vacation next week.
We are going on holiday next week.
linterna,
Flashlight.
Torch.
Use a flashlight. It's dark.
Use a torch. It's dark.
correo,
Mail.
Post.
I need to check my mail.
I need to check my post.
zapatillas,
Sneakers.
Trainers.
I bought new sneakers yesterday.
I bought new trainers yesterday.
celular,
Cell phone.
Mobile.
Call to me on my cell phone later.
Call me on my mobile later.
Ahora ya sabes por qué a veces no te entienden. Estas son las diferencias reales entre el inglés americano y el británico. Si quieres hablar inglés de verdad, no solo tienes que aprender palabras, tienes que entender cómo se usan en la vida real. Dime en los comentarios, ¿inglés americano o británico? Y si quieres seguir aprendiendo inglés útil para la vida real, suscríbete al canal y activa la campanita para no perderte los próximos videos.